Prime Minister Narendra Modi has interacted with teachers who've been conferred the National Teachers Award this year. 82 teachers from across the country were selected for the award. This, of course, comes right in the aftermath of a Teachers' Day that was celebrated with great pomp yesterday itself. Yesterday, of course, the Prime Minister was in Singapore. He's returned from his two-day visit to Singapore after inking a number of MOUs, and now, of course, he's taken out time to meet with teachers in the country. These teachers, 82 of them, have been conferred with the National Teachers Award. My colleague Mendy Garg joins us on the broadcast with more details. Mendy, over to you. What has gone down in the meeting? We can see these visuals of a rather heartwarming interaction.
Yes, Pia rightly said it was a very heartwarming interaction because Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on a two-day visit to Singapore on the Teachers' Day, on the occasion of Teachers' Day. But now he made out time to meet the teachers of India and congratulate them on the occasion of Teachers' Day. And 82 teachers were present in that meeting, in that heartwarming meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which those teachers were selected for the National Teachers Award. And before meeting these teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Singapore, was not able to meet the teachers, but still he showed his belief in the teachers and extended his tributes to Dr. Radhakrishnan also yesterday while posting on the X platform and giving best wishes to all the teachers on the occasion, and expressing that this occasion is to express gratitude to all teachers who shape young minds. And he in his post gave tributes to Dr. Radhakrishnan on his birth anniversary also. But if we talk about today's meet, Pia, then it was a very important meet also. Rather, it was a heartwarming meet that you also said, because he interacted with the teachers across from India, emphasizing the vital role they play in shaping the future of the country. And also, during his interaction, PM Modi has acknowledged the dedication and efforts of the educators in nurturing young minds and fostering innovation, creativity, and also the critical thinking among the students. And he highlighted the importance of teachers, not only as knowledge providers, but also as mentors and guides who inspire the next generation to contribute positively to the society. And PM Modi spoke with the teachers about the need to adapt teaching methodologies in line with the rapidly changing world, particularly in terms of technological advancements and skill development. Because as we all know, Pia, that Prime Minister Modi also focuses on digital India. So this was the main motive behind this discussion with the teachers. And also, additionally, he encouraged all the educators, all the teachers of the India to promote holistic development by balancing academic knowledge with life skills and values. And Pia, this event was a celebration of the contributions of teachers and their role in nation building, underscoring the government's commitment to improving the education sector, and recognizing teachers as the cornerstone of a progressive and enlightened society. So, he showed his regards and congratulate all the teachers. But in the meeting, the visuals that also we are showing, in this meet, 82 teachers across the India were present, and they will be awarded by the National Teachers Award.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.